fresh, tangy, and bursting with flavor. This mint garlic sauce is a quick and easy recipe you will want to make and repeat. To prepare this mint garlic sauce, gather the following simple, fresh ingredients. Start by picking the mint leaves from the stems. Just the fresh green leaves go into the sauce for the best flavor. Prepare a food chopper or small blender for blending the sauce. Place the mint leaves, chilies, garlic, ginger, sugar, dried herbs, salt and black pepper into the blender. Next, scoop in the mayonnaise and yogurt, then squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. This gives the sauce its creamy texture and zesty kick. When squeezing the lemon, be sure to catch and discard any seeds. Pop the lid on and blend everything together until the sauce is smooth, creamy, and well combined. Once the sauce is blended to a smooth, creamy texture, pour it into a serving bowl. Serve immediately or refrigerate in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Use as a dip, dressing, or accompaniment to grilled meats and vegetables. Look at that creamy, dreamy texture, smooth enough to drizzle, dollop, or dip. One taste and you'll be tempted to double the batch. It's that good. Save and follow for more recipes.